So I am currently packing up to go to Austin, and I have all my outfits already set up. These are what I think I'm gonna wear to ACL. Have a backup, another backup in case I feel like not wearing anything cute. And then I have another backup in case it gets cold the last day, because it is supposed to be cold. Like, there's a cold front and there might be some rain. So then we have the sweat set for after, windbreaker set, pajamas, yeah. But I know all of this will fit in a carry-on, but with my shoes, because I do have a couple of shoes that I'm taking, and just like skincare and stuff, I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit a carry-on, like my little black luggage carry-on, because I like to take luggage sets whenever I go somewhere, even if it's like nowhere that far. I just like taking the luggage, but I was worried that the carry-on would be too small. But then I remembered I had these, because I always have the black luggage, but I forgot that I had this. Like, I also didn't want to take the medium size because I thought it would be too big, but this is a carry-on size. And then this one, I swear, like, don't tell me it's a medium, because it's not. It's like a bigger carry-on size. So we're not taking the black luggage, we're taking this one, and it's perfect, and I am so happy about it. Also, I love this color. Time to pack up. Also, here's the shoe lineup, and then of course mess from packing for ACL, or like trying to pick outfits. And now I'm waiting for my car. Even though it's October in Texas, it feels like summer, so hydration packs and fans are necessary for music festivals in Texas. So just waiting now. We don't have our ACL wristbands yet. Like, we don't have tickets to go to ACL. So this might end up just being an Austin vlog. You'll know by the title, I guess. And we're all packed up, ready to go. Hey guys, it is 11 and I just woke up. We got in pretty late. I drove up to Austin with my mom, and then my mom's a trooper. She went right back with my aunt and my cousin and my other aunt, because they were here visiting my cousin, and my mom just wanted to come with me on the journey, which I fully welcomed, because I was planning on going to buy tickets, which I did. So, you know, I kind of like stopped vlogging yesterday on accident, but like everything just happened so fast, and I ended up stopping. Like, this was already like late in the night, but I ended up stopping at a Starbucks, and I got some ACL wristbands, and they were a really good deal and something that will never happen again in my life. Also, I hope you can hear me, because we have a water fountain for a cat and a fan. I've never felt like that at ease after buying tickets. These are the wristbands. We got 2 of them, and yeah, so gonna straighten my hair now. So sorry if you're a little crooked. I am also crooked because the whole car is leaning to the right. I forget what city life is like. Also, this AC in my car does not work. It works, it's just not cold, and it's not Freon, so please don't come with that in the comments. But anyways, I am currently waiting for my cousin to come out, like to be done with class, to go pick her up again. Part of the plan was for me to come drop her off and then pick her up from class, right? But now that I'm here, I'm kind of regretting not bringing my bag, because we were planning on returning to her apartment to then take an Uber from there, because we're already late. We're probably gonna get there at like 3. and then get into the festival at I don't know what time. So we were just like, first day Uber, just make it easy because we're already running late. But now that I'm here, I'm like, damn, I should have brought the bag, and I didn't get her key, so I can't go get it right now. But I should have brought the bag so that we could just, like, I could do street parking and take the shuttle into the festival. I feel like a lot of people are going to be going to the festival at the time that we're going, and Ubers are going to be scary. But now that I'm here, now that I know, like, it's always stressful the first day because you kind of like forget how everything is happening, or at least for me. So obviously tomorrow and the next day are going to be a lot easier. Schedule for today, and we're going to make that my screen, or not my screensaver, my lock screen, so that I know where to go at all times. If you couldn't tell from me showing you what my lock screen looked like, I have not updated my phone. And the reason I have not updated my phone is because my phone does not have enough storage to be updated. So what does that tell you? That tells you that I don't have enough storage on my phone. Like, I need to go through and delete some stuff. I don't have enough space, and I need to take I'm gonna be taking pictures and videos at the concert, so we gotta sort that out. We made it! Are you vlogging here?
You with somebody, are you cool? I want your body, you want me too. I see it coming, I come for you. We're gonna go fucking crazy on this part. 1, 2, 3. It's a bad life. Baby, I want you. Evergreen, you got your need. Was there something wrong with my body? Might not, would you want it, babe? If I ever tried, I would. Evergreen, sing that.
Been about
20 something. All alone, still none of them in my name. Ain't got nothing running from love, only no fear. Should ask me, Miss 20 something. Ain't got nothing running from love, I'm glad you are here. You're stuck in them 20 somethings. You're stuck in them 20 somethings. Good luck on your 20 somethings. Good luck on your 20 somethings. And God bless your 20 somethings. So hoping my 20 somethings won't end. Hoping to keep the rest of my friends. Praying the 20 somethings won't kill me. Kill me, God bless. You say you want it, girl. Nigga, how you want me? How you want me when you got it, girl? She my man, it's my man, it's your man, birthday, what's her man? Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep me satisfied through the weekend. Say you like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend, oh. So make a lose your mind every weekend. So you take Wednesday, Thursday, you just send it my way. I always got it for the weekend. I gotta say a minute, for a little bit more, yeah. Say you like 9 to 5, oh, yeah. Make sure that you wanna lose your mind, oh, no. You send it my way.
Day 1 is over and I did not vlog any of it. I barely vlogged because it just went by so fast. Like everything happened so fast and yeah, just bad at vlogging. But I'm really tired now. I think I recorded a clip inside Whataburger, but we walked after the concert all the way out to Whataburger to catch an Uber from there, and also like to kill time a little bit, we ate because we were like done and I was like kind of already crashing from being hungry again. But little haul time, because it's weekend too, they were already sold out of like the shirt that I originally wanted. Even on the first day it was pretty bare, like there wasn't anything left. But I did get this shirt. The shirt that I originally wanted, they didn't have it in a size large or extra large or anything bigger, and it was a Comfort Colors shirt, and I'm pretty sure like all the college kids got it. I did get this shirt. This was in the kids section of this brand, the Howler Brothers. They had like a whole section, but it's an extra large. And these kind of shirts, like this was the cutest design other than the one that I liked, in my opinion. And then the little names and dates are on the back. And with this kind of shirt, I usually like to have it Like, I probably should have got a smaller size because I like to wear these as like baby tees or like a cropped shirt. So let me try it on. I'm waiting for the shower right now, by the way. This is the extra large kids shirt. That's how it fits. I just don't. Okay, the romper that I wore for day 1 of ACL, super cute. It used to be like my comfort romper. Like you always look good in it. Like it's flattering. And it like has this long piece that like covers your butt, so like it doesn't go up too high. But being at a festival and like throwing your hands up and like dancing, it just does not work with a romper, especially if you are a little bit taller. So we'll not be wearing a romper to a festival again. But I'm so tired, so tired.